You notice anything wrong about this horn? Like it's missing the other horn? Apparently Ford decided to change the manufacturing somewhere around 2016 to only have one note horn. But they also sell this, the 2-note horn for this Ford Edge. This is the part number for it. And done. The mount here and there behind here on this side is also broken. Part 2 of the headlight, trying to get one that's not broken. This one also didn't fare well in the shipping. Right there, mount, it's not attached anymore. Let's see if I can try to plastic weld that back together. 2 wires put in there and then smoothed out the plastic on top of those wires and then smoothed out as best I can along the crack where that plastic stud attached. Just about done with the plastic welding with these wires. Well, this entire edge here. And then that entire edge. This is the driver's side. All of that up through the center, next to the license plate mount. The parking sensor, that needed to be redone. Some cracks up there, and cracks up there, and there, up along the top. And over to the other fog light. Yeah, there's a lot of damage here. Finished up with the back side of the bumper cover. Got all these wires clipped off and cut off with the Dremel cutoff wheel. And went back through and did a resistance test on this camera. The wiring for the camera comes up to here, this top row, and then the black for the ground matches up to this. So I want to make sure that was okay. That all tested good. Rewrap the wiring loom right there with some electrical tape, clean that up, and then pulled all these off that were stuck to the back side of the bumper cover and reattached them to the wiring harness right there. That's all taken care of. So now I'm going to go through and take this, get it nice and hot, and then smooth out all of this to make sure those wires don't get pulled out somehow. I'll be right back. So it doesn't really look the best, but it's not cracked, so got that going for me. Well, it feels like I'm going backwards. This was completely together about an hour ago, everything, and it looked almost done. And then I realized the hood won't latch, so I'd take everything apart to readjust that mount. And then this is supposed to be flat, and it's not, because forklift or a front end loader or something whacked it and bent it upwards. Why lift from the car when you can lift from the radiator support? You know, because that's cool. Now I got to put it all back together, and then hopefully it works like it's supposed to. At least the hood does. Hey, you're back. I'm going to give you an update here on my Ford Edge project. It's all together, except for the little tiny cover down here for the washer squitter. I have to order one of those. It's pretty much done, which is amazing, because it took me less than a month. Mostly because I had to reorder parts from like the headlights and stuff that kept breaking. It's all together. I have to take it for a test drive and then change out the transmission fluid and change the oil and the oil filter and the power transfer unit, burp the coolant, and then it'll be hopefully a good car. Thank you for tuning in, following me on this journey of fixing another car. If you like this video, hit that like and subscribe button. Follow me on the next video, and I'll see you later. Bye.